The voices of our indigenous people of the Northeast and Tripura are not just local concerns, but part of India's larger conscience. And we refuse to acknowledge that. Therefore, I want to remind the powers that be in India that it is part of India's larger conscience and we must take serious note of it. I come from Dimapur because I support the Tripura Sa Accord. I want the Tripura Sa Accord to be implemented as soon as possible because an accord which was signed is not just ink on paper. It is a sign of commitment. It is a sign of justice. And you cannot promise something you cannot fulfill. For me, the part of democracy, the part of peaceful movement that Tripura community has taken is an inspiration to the entire indigenous community of the Northeast. Everyone is looking up to you. Everyone is happy with you. Everyone is proud of you. So much so that if one Tripura community member is attacked, the whole Northeast is attacked. You are not alone. Tomorrow, if you are attacked, I am attacked, we will stand with you. Because this is our fight to save our democracy, not somebody's democracy. Illegal migrants have changed the demography of the entire Northeast, not just Tripura. Tripura is always cited as an example of how the ruling majority, indigenous community has been made into a minority by migration. It is a problem that we have faced for so many years today. After leaving all violent forms of protest, Tripura Mota and the Tripura community has come together peacefully, asked for a peaceful resolution because the whole of India is asking for a dialogue-based resolution. You have accepted that request and they have signed an accord with a promise. When will or how many accords will government of India sign in the Northeast?
William Lamsuko bat suno hayo hai tini ani ketong video kangke bat song noro tini nugi mana koroksa educated te elem gunang hinai jago bat song bin mong kha em luhon kinku bini from kha Dimapur koroksa bo hai hai jontor montorot hangai bo buagrani bisinte saimanai belai kino kinti prasarong jinggal no nungma bai belai kino kha thujak eba dukhon nangjak bayap song tangi hinggang je sini tiprasa se sini notice ni borok boti prasa rong no ati hini saka te belai kino kha khamjaka bayap song te tirpra haste ni video rok no belai kino nai tongo abono nogoi belai kino bo tok thajago buthanjago nogi belai kino dukhon nangjak sini tiprasa ni kha nangai botini Orwo botini lukurong buskango ko kaham sai khar ka pap som norok pija nanya di video ni kilibo botam saka
Royal Highness and my friend Maharaj Pradut Manik Deparma, Rajkumari Kriti ji, also the Honorable Lok Sabha MP, MLAs and MDCs of Tripura Mota, and brothers and sisters, friends of Tripura and beyond. I'm grateful to Pradut ji for inviting me to this sit-in protest. I joined in solidarity. I came last night from Dimapur, from Nagaland, to Delhi to join with you in this protest. As he mentioned, I was formerly the national spokesperson of BJP. I resigned last month, to focus on our region, the Northeast region. And this is the beginning. But this is only the beginning. I stand here in solidarity because as a fellow Northeastern who believes in justice, dignity, and the rights promised to every community under our constitution. I feel that it is our duty to speak up for each other, to stand for each other, and to work with each other. In this regard, the 2,500 miles or kilometers that David Mura Singh has walked is not only historic, impressive, but as he rightly pointed out, it is a walk for democracy. And this voice and this walk must not go in vain. What brings me is very simple. The recognition that the voices of our indigenous people of the Northeast and Tripura are not just local concerns, but part of India's larger conscience. And we refuse to acknowledge that. Therefore, I want to remind the powers that be in India that it is part of India's larger conscience and we must take serious note of it. I come from Dimapur because I support the Tripura-Sa Accord. I want the Tripura-Sa Accord to be implemented as soon as possible because an accord which was signed is not just ink on paper. It is a sign of commitment. It is a sign of justice. And you cannot promise something you cannot fulfill. For me, the part of democracy, the part of peaceful movement that Tripura community has taken is an inspiration to the entire indigenous community of the Northeast. Everyone is looking up to you. Everyone is happy with you. Everyone is proud of you. So much so that if one Tripura community member is attacked, the whole Northeast is attacked. You are not alone. Tomorrow, if you are attacked, I am attacked, we will stand with you. Because this is our fight to save our democracy, not somebody's democracy. Illegal migrants have affected, changed the demography of the entire Northeast, not just Tripura. Tripura is always cited as an example of how the ruling majority, indigenous community has been made into a minority by migration. It is a problem that we have faced for so many years today. After leaving all violent forms of protest, Tripura Mota and the Tripura community has come together peacefully, asked for a peaceful resolution because the whole of India is asking for a dialogue-based resolution. You have accepted that request and they have signed an accord with a promise. When will or how many accords will government of India sign in the Northeast for
Hengkang ke baksong norong nogi mangkana Dimapurni khoroksa elem gonang te sigrang hunai jago bayaksong botipra sarongni bagai belai kheno kaham kok saka tangai hinggang je sini tipra sarok tabuk phano thanjak nglai mayan bagai orai poroi nglaioi boibai tong kesep khaijago botharjago sepjago dagarjago abo haike mangno sini bororo tabuk se jorani tipra hasteo abo haike no khalaijago tongo bayaksong ke bo obono saka tangai hinggang ke Tripura khai saba Tripura boroni Tripura angka sini thoi hine saka bo tangai hinggang ke Dimapur Nagaland te gobang ma Northeast Mizoram obo jotono sini Tripura sani bagai tabuk thirina nangka thirinai hanena nangka phandenai bayapsong tangai hinggang ke sini thoi jeng thoi kaisa tabuk norong nogi mangkhana elem gonang khoroksa im lohon kuki bo saka Dimapurni bo saka Tripura sarokno yak rekhang ke jeng bo Tripura sarokni yangono jeng bo basanai hinai bo saka phiaba borok mungsa kiriya tangai hinggang ke chini jati chini bosong Tripura sabo Dimapur Nagaland sabo Dimapur sabo Mizoram sabo Arunachal Assam abo jotono chini thoi mamangno bayapsong phiaba tangai hinggang ke ageo hinggang ke asuk nukjaklaya tabuk tere khai chini bosongrok tabuk haino hai nujagui phaika kha nangui bayapsong tangui kha nangya tongnai ba borok wngkha chwng bai borok wngkha thwi kaisa ek pha bat chwng kisa borok bai chalaikha asukti haifano notice thancha ekta khaiba tongmani simi se rajyo simi se second cha alada khe rinjakha bayapsong hingkha abo kuno kebeng mung koroi thancha ba thancha no bayapsong tini abono tini bo saka chini tipra sarok no belai kheno khairok jago belai kheno borok nogo chini bagui hamya bwswk khai khaijagui tong bwswk khai satok jagui tong borok obono bebak no saimano tei kwbangma fatar hasteni borok rok bo kwbangma jagani borok rok no saimano chini tripura haste o tokha kosom rok phaiui jaga segui tongmani tei tripura hasteni borok rok no bwtharmani toktharmani aborok borok belai kheno saimano tei kaham kheno saimano bayapsong tripura ha saboni tangui tripura rajyo hinui phajago tripura sarokni jaga tripura sarokni tongthai aboni bagui se tripura rajyo hinui phajago phiaba tabuk bangladeshi rok phai se chini tripura hano borokni language no wngui thangkha tei borokni joto bebak no bongni thani no klaikha tei bongni thani klaimani bisingtwi no borok chini hano bo tabuk sengnani naikha tei chini slai borok no kaisa kubugo bo kawui tongkha bayapsong hingkha abono tini tini khoroksa educated borok bo tini sai kharoksa tripura sal lukurok no phia borok kok borok maya tangui hingkha hindi manphano hindi ba aswk kaham ke kok saui explain khai mayani bagui borok wngkha tere phangtini english hanai rok bai english bai no borok explain khaikha tei kwbangma bujinai hingke bo bujio bujiyaikha bo bujiya bayapsong amo kuno mungsa kebengmung kwrui just haifano chini tripura sarokni bagui dimapur wngthong nagaland wngthong borok tabuk sujaratwi sapono khai tongo phan norui tongo bayapsong tangui hingkha jephru chini tripura haste no tokha kosom rok uruphango afuru se nainai di bayapsong bahai khe phainai no borok tangui phaiya tongnai ba chini thwi wngkha borok wngkha chini thwi borok phainai tangui hingkha borok bo chwng nole aswk kosto khlaiui borok bo naharui tongmangla borok bo chini bagui kha nang phainai bayapsong chwng tabuk bo oro bini thuk baithok no nugui mangkha tangui hingkha norok no yak rwkha hingkha chwng tongo hinui sao dimapur nagaland borok tongo borok khainai kha nangnai hingkha chwng amono khanja khe no tongna nango bayapsong tangui hingkha chwng khoroknoi chwng thwi kaisa tei buma kaisa ni bwsa bayapsong chwng nini ani hinlaiui tabuk dino chukliya chwng nini ani hinlai tongkha hingkha chwng no borok asani no bwtharpaiui swkmai sinai bayapsong tei chini tripura rajyo borokni tokha kosom rwngthani se klai thangsinai phiaba aino tongo chini tripura ha saboni abo joto borok no saimano bayapsong phiaba chwng samungo se phanangui maliya chini kokthai rok bo bebakno chain chungbaikha damsara khaijakha tripura rajyo o aswk cholachol khaijakya abo haikhai chini kokthai tei manikok rok kwrwk kwmate tabuk kwmaisi tongo bayapsong next phainai sal rogo hingkha chini o kokthai rok tebose kwrwk swkmaiui pura bengali wngwi thangnai bayapsong tangui hingkha chini tripura sarok kwmate chini kokthai rok bo kwmaui no thangnai bayapsong hingkha tokha kosom rok hingkha chwngno kena nango chwngno mokol thaio chwngno thaimani bagui borok chwngno jephru phano swkamainani mangse nai tongo bayapsong tei chini language di chini maniphongo hindi abo bebak no borok swkamai srai khai pura paisinani borok mujungjago bayapsong aboni bagui no borok chwngno tabuk eko abo haikhe sastiri tongo chwngno chini tongthai no bo segui tongo chwng abo kaham kheno saimano bayapsong hingkha bayapsong omo haikhe no thansa wngnai tamo hingkha nini ani hinlaiyaui kuphur kosom hinlaiyaui chini tripura sarokni hagrai no bahai khe Cost most khlaiयै tubunani tini abosi chini important ko bayap song. Nang khoroksa job khlainai nang khoroksa samung khlainai chakri khainai phano tiprasarokni hangraimani hangke a chakri je tongsa jeno rangke saitongmani next song kang tino chakri bo khamai khai te chini tiprasarokbo paisogoi thangnai ransagoi thangnai bayap song. Amono nini samung khainai hindi chakri khainai hindi joto nini ani hinlaiyawi koroi gorang hinlaiyawi thanchani mario phaiयै thanchake tonglaiयै chini tiprasani hangraimani jeng kaham gorongkhai develop khainani bagui te tripura haste no naithok tokhe khlaiयै buiyahay no Chin rogo nok Japan rogo nukhono bayap song. Tamon gangke Bharat bongni desh thadin aboni bagui bebak no nok nukhung poribar kaham te area naithok maithok tamon develop nijak bayap song. Develop nok no buji mangkha develop kha joto koroi hinui mungsa koroi joto nangmani joto no tongo bayap song. Amron no pura develop all develop. এই অবনন চিনি তাবো যে চিহ্ন tiprasa rokno naimo thangnai rok borokbo o develop no nai tongo bayap song. Phiaba khlainaya borok sakthari no tongo borokni je khaimanchak. Aboni bagui no buwagra kap kabui sawo bayap song. Tangai hindang ke saking khlainamo tongpano saking khlaimaya. Saking bahake khlainai tiprasa rok joto thanchang wngkhaise support khlaikaise chini o manthai rok teruk teruk tungmanani digio thangnai apro gangke all thanchangge thangangke chini manthai no cheng tobi phanno gangke cheng apro aram seke mosawi tongmano bayap song. Tang busa butei engineer doctor joto line pore ruwei khlairai tongmano bayap song. Aboni bagui no tiprasa accord justice omrono cheng nango tei omoni tui no Delhi haste o 2,500 kilometer no asuk kosto khlaiयै yathek yakung baiयै pugui himui thango bayap song. Tangai hingangke chini o tiprasa accord justice no justice left no tunani bagui se asuk kosto khai mathango bayap song. Genarok to social media o no to nubuni tongna chini Sir David Mura Singh bo bini saising no demand khlaiयै bo abono tunani hinui thangmani phiaba aro baksa baksa keben kha bayap song. Tangai hingangke kami kami o tongnai neta pet waro mathai ahai tong dupho bakho sokorok tobi thupjak waro rokni tam tam biang biang haयै tam tam salaikya tam tam khlaibaikya abo hairok saglaimarok belai kheno chaya. Tangai hingangke tiprasa khoroksa kha srangui nijini manthai no naharnani digi thangtong hingke aro hamya samarok belai kheno chaya khlaio. Aro o cheng dongchana nango bono phanserna nango rangni saborna nango phandna nangnai thina nangnai abo haikese chini manthai no tebo tunani bagui kha srangnai bayap song. Gangke aro hamya saka kudana kudini salai tonggangke abo chini tiprasa rok bangse tebo belai kheno tola kologo te belai kheno chaya abo bayap song. Gangke bayap song norok tini bujikana kha khlaio khoroksa Dimapurni educated te elem ganang hinui hinjago bayap song bo tini kok saka tiprasa lukurokni bwskango. Chini tiprasa lukurok belai kheno hamjaklaikha te belai kheno kha tongthok laikha bini je kok samani kaham kaham message no khanaoi. Gangke bayap song norok bujikana kha khlaio tini video asukini norok video no pura paithak doronai tongmani bagui belai kheno paithakya hambai.